Congress for the PADCOM.
Opo.
Makitog niya kayong napasugod.
Yes, after nung Senate budget hearing, pumunta ako sa House of Representatives. Sinamahan ko si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa pag-attend niya sa hearing ng PADCOM.
Ma'am, you were there until it finished. How was it po? Kasi may nakuhanan ka ng video na kumakain ka na, iba-iba na reaction. So, how was it po? How was it witnessing the hearing?
Pagod talaga ako nung araw na yon dahil hindi kasi namin alam kung anong mangyayari sa budget hearing. So buong the day before at noong umaga na yon naghahanda kami para sa Senate budget hearing. So medyo pagod ako. Nandun ako kasi yes, sinamahan ko si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, and usually kasi hindi siya nakikinig sa mga kasama niya. So, humingi sila ng tulong sa akin na kung anong isabi, pagsabihan, gano'n.
So, did you do that now? Humingi ng tulong, tapos did you approach him to tell him what supposed to be,
Doon lang sa sinabi nung kasama niya na 6 a.m. pagising, nagsimula yung araw niya 6 a.m. and mga around 10:30 p.m. na ata yun. Sinabi nung na baka low blood sugar na. So, hindi ko makain. So, nagpaalam ako na i-excuse na lang siya, but ayaw niya. Pero, naniwala naman siya nung sinabihan namin siya na kumain na muna siya.
Pero how was it po? Kasi earlier the senator said that you don't expect a fair trial for fair hearing po for the president. Kayo, you were there mismo. So how was it po?
Well, as a lawyer, hindi mo na talaga maintindihan kung ano ang rules na ginagamit sa mga hearings, no? And they use inquiry and investigation interchangeably. So hindi mo alam if it's an inquiry, you're a research person. If it's an investigation, you're a witness or an accused. So saksak sinagol na kung sa Bisaya pa ang nagapanghitabo.
Okay. Ma'am, sorry, bless na po. Ma'am, may mga kumalat na video. The President asked you, I think when you were about to leave na po that time, na how was his performance from 1 to 10? What was your answer to him, Bibi?
Sabi niya, kumusta? Yung performance ko, and I said, best dramatic actor. Sabi niya, you have to rate me from 1 to 10. Sabi ko, you're at 12.
But in minutes, he was really at 12, ma'am.
Yes.
Bakit best dramatic actor?
Kayo na lang yung umintindi. Nakikita niyo naman sa ginagawa niya eh. So, kitang-kita.